How to use compare auto policies online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Online auto insurance comparison tools are convenient, but beginners often make mistakes that cost money or leave them underinsured. Most people focus on price alone, but that's just the beginning. The first mistake is overlooking coverage details. Cheap policies may lack collision, comprehensive, or uninsured motorist protection. Always read what's included before committing. Another common error is entering incorrect information. Age, driving history, vehicle type, and location affect rates. Small inaccuracies can lead to misleading quotes that don't match your real premium. Many users ignore available discounts. Bundling policies, safe driving, low mileage or defensive driving courses can save hundreds. Make sure to apply all eligible discounts. A surprising mistake is neglecting customer service and claims support. Price is important, but you also want responsive, reliable service when an accident happens. Check reviews before choosing. Finally, beginners forget to update quotes regularly. Premiums change due to market conditions or personal changes. Rechecking quotes ensures you always get the best deal. To properly compare auto policies online, focus on coverage, input accurate info, apply discounts, research customer service, and update quotes periodically. This approach saves money while keeping you fully protected.